Artificial intelligence doesn't fail. People apply it wrong. And that mistake is costing you time, accuracy, and control every single day. Almost everyone makes this mistake. Beginners, professionals, even entire teams. And it's not because they're careless or lazy, but because the error is practically invisible. You don't see it happen right away. You only feel the consequences later. The mounting frustration, the wasted hours, the feeling that you're just not getting it. You start to think maybe this whole AI thing isn't for you. But what if I told you the problem isn't the technology? And it's not you either. It's something much simpler, hidden in plain sight. The #1 mistake people make with AI is this. They treat it like a thinking partner. Instead of a system, they talk to it like a person. They explain their feelings. They improvise their requests and hope the AI just understands what they mean. But systems don't operate on intention or vibes. They run on structure. They need clear, logical instructions. Think of it like a vending machine. You can't just tell it you're thirsty. You have to press the specific buttons for the drink you want. When your input is vague, emotional, or inconsistent, the output will always feel unreliable. It will feel random, incomplete, or just plain wrong. And this isn't because the tool is weak or broken. It's because the interface is exact. It's a machine designed for precision. Garbage in, garbage out. But the reverse is also true. Precision in, precision out. The quality of your output is a direct reflection of the quality of your input. Once you grasp this, everything changes. So, what's the real, tangible impact of this mistake? First, you waste an incredible amount of time rewriting and rephrasing your prompts, trying to guess the magic words that will finally work. Second, you start to doubt the answers you get. You can't trust the information because you don't trust the process that generated it. And finally, you conclude that the technology is overhyped, a gimmick that isn't ready for serious work. In reality, you just skipped one crucial step. The fix is simple, but it can feel a little uncomfortable at first because it requires you to slow down and think before you type. Before you even open an AI tool, you must clearly define 3 things for yourself. First, the role. What exact function do you want the system to perform? Are you asking it to be a creative writer, a data analyst, a meticulous proofreader, or a project planner? Be specific. Act as a professional copywriter specializing in direct response email marketing is 1,000 times better than writing email for me. Second, the constraints. What must the AI absolutely not do? This is your negative instruction, your boundary. For example, do not use cliches or business jargon. Do not exceed 500 words. Avoid mentioning our competitors by name. Constraints are what guide the AI away from a generic response and toward a focused, relevant one. And third, the output format. How do you want the final answer to look? Exactly. Do you need a bulleted list, a table with 3 columns, a script formatted for a 60-second video, or maybe you need JSON code? Defining the format up front eliminates the need for messy reformatting later and ensures the output is immediately usable. When these 3 elements roll, constraints and output format are clear in your request, the tool becomes predictable. And predictability is what professionals care about most. It's the difference between gambling on a result and engineering one. It's how you achieve control over speed instead of just chasing speed at the cost of control. Most people never learn this because they're constantly chasing shortcuts and quick hacks. They want the magic prompt that solves everything, but they're missing the foundational principle that makes every prompt work better. In the next video, I'll show you how this same single mistake scales into absolute chaos inside companies and team workflows, crippling productivity. If you want to stop making mistakes with AI and start using it with intention and control, make sure you follow for more. There's no hype here, just the principles that actually work. Thanks for watching.